Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my cornrows on my hair and how you can also cornrow your hair by yourself, okay? But I have to warn you first, or do I say disclaimer? My cornrows are not perfect yet. They're not the best yet because I'm still learning, okay? And this video will probably not be the best you watch on how to make cornrows, but this is what works for me, especially whenever I want to wear my wigs, okay? Yeah, so I just washed my hair, and here I'm just going to blow dry my hair and comb it out, making sure that it is knot free and tangle free. I also applied some leave-in conditioner and some growth oil just to moisturize my hair. And just in case you are wondering, the leave-in conditioner and growth oil is from Mega Growth, okay? I love Mega Growth products and I've been using them on my hair because it works for my hair. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to divide my hair into two sections and just secure one side with a hairband. This is just to make the hair easier for me to work with, okay? So to do the cornrow, you have to first part your hair, depending on how big or small you want it. But for me, I like it medium, not too big and not too small. So as you can see in this video, I'm still struggling with my pattern. It's not straight at the back, and I normally tell myself that as long as it looks good in front, whatever that is going on at the back is none of my business. Yeah, so a good way to start is by splitting your hair into three, like three strands of hair. So first you pick the hair strand from the right, and then you are going to cross it through the middle to the other side. Then after you cross it, you grab the hair strand from the left, cross it again over to the right and grab the hair from the right, and then cross it again to the left, okay? I don't know if that makes sense, but just watch my hand movement, watch the way my hand is moving, and maybe you can be able to get it. So now as you continue braiding it backwards, all you need to do is keep picking some hair strand and adding it to the original three strands of hair that you started with. So basically, whenever you cross the hair strand to the left, you pick up some of your natural hair. And then when you cross it to the right, you also pick some of your hair, and just keep doing like that and keep braiding it backwards. And then when you get to the end of your hair, to the end of the cornrow, you just braid your hair all the way to the tip, okay? Now this is what the first one looks like. It's not perfect as you can see, but I did a second one and it was better than the first, so I decided to loosen the first cornrow and do it again. So using the same technique that I explained, I did it again, and I think it looks better than the first time, right? So I went ahead and did the cornrows for the rest of my hair. And looking at it, I feel like the left side looked better than the ones on the right side. And at this point, my arms were aching so badly. Anyways, I applied some Jamaican black castor oil to my scalp just to moisturize my scalp. I've been using this Jamaican black castor oil for I think about 3 weeks now because I heard it helps with hair growth, so I'm just trying it out to see if it makes any difference in my hair, okay? So I used some edge control product to do my edges, and this was the final look, okay? Again, it's not the best, okay? It's not the best, but this is what works for me, okay? At least I don't have to wait for weeks until I get a hair appointment. And I also don't have to pay $150 to get my cornrows done, okay? I could use this to wear my wigs for maybe 2 to 3 weeks until when next I'm ready to make my hair, okay? Wait, let me show you the back. Let me show you the back. Did you guys see the back? Did you see the back? I just hope that one day breeze will not blow off my wig, because nobody must see these cornrows. Anyways, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section. Are you a pro when it comes to doing your own cornrows? Or are you still learning and practicing just like me? I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.